What is NumPy Array Shape? Python Basics. Have you ever wondered how to understand the structure of your data in Python? Well, let's talk about the shape of NumPy arrays and why it matters. The shape of a NumPy array tells you how many elements are in each dimension. It is represented as a tuple, where each number corresponds to the size of the array in that dimension. For example, if an array has a shape of 3 and 4, it means there are 3 rows and 4 columns. In Python, accessing the shape of a NumPy array is straightforward. You can use the shape attribute. This attribute returns a tuple that shows the length of the array in each dimension. If you create a 2-dimensional array with 2 rows and 4 columns, calling the shape attribute on that array will return to and 4. Understanding the shape is important because it helps you know how the array is structured. This knowledge is essential when performing operations like indexing, slicing, or reshaping. The shape also tells you the total number of elements in the array. You can find this total by multiplying the numbers in the shape tuple. Let's look at an example. If you have an array created like this, import NumPy as np. R is equal to np, array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you print the shape of this array, the output will be 2 and 4. This means there are 2 rows and 4 columns. NumPy arrays can also have more than 2 dimensions. For instance, a 3-dimensional array might have a shape like 3, 2, 4. This indicates 3 blocks, each containing 2 rows and 4 columns. Besides just reading the shape, you can also change the shape of an array using the reshape method, as long as the total number of elements remains the same. For example, an array with 12 elements can be reshaped from 3, 4 to 4, 3, or even 2 to 3. In the context of array indexing, knowing the shape helps you access or modify elements correctly. In a 2-dimensional array with a shape of 2, 4, the first index selects the row, either 0 or 1, and the second index selects the column, which can be 0 to 3. To summarize, the shape of a NumPy array is a tuple indicating the size along each dimension. You can access it with the shape attribute. It helps you understand the array's structure and how to index or reshape it. The total number of elements is the product of the shape's dimensions. Arrays can have any number of dimensions, and their shape reflects this. Use the reshape method to change the shape without changing the data size. This knowledge is fundamental when working with NumPy arrays for data analysis or scientific computing in Python.